Hi everybody, here are the Cirkao Préau Stilts. Is how you're gonna receive it. This one is the model like the short one, everything go into maybe a bag of 65 or 70 centimeters, like 2 foot. 2 foot, a little bit more than 2 foot for a bag who can fit all these pieces. So how are you gonna receive it? You're gonna receive your stilts in a bag like this. It will be like this in your bag. So that's easy to take this part, to put it in this one, and then you can start. I will show you how to screw the side and you can adjust it, and I will show you how to start. To start straight with the extension line, this one to make really high your stilts, you will have to take out this piece and you keep it on the side when you want to use it on a lower base. If you want to start pretty low, you let this aluminum piece in and it goes in the base. If you want to put the extension line, you have one side with 2 holes and one with 1. The 1 hole is for the feet, I will call it. It's a little bit curvy inside. It's for like make it flexible. It's kind of smooth. You see on the end when I press on it, it gets squeezed and is like easy for your knee joints or your ankle when you walk. It makes an effect of softness when you walk. And also if I attached it, so you have one part who you see the hole fits very well, and one which is a tiny bigger, so you put your screw in this part, I don't know the name of it, and these two. Including in the package, we're gonna put this key also. It's including with the Stilts. It's I don't want to say the brand, but it's a good brand of it. It's like it's quality. And you tight it. You don't have to tight it too strong. It's aluminium. The aluminium can bend if you screw strong. You just have to put a little bit of strong, but not like crazy strong. So you have your legs. This is when you want to use the extension, or if you use it small. This one is 2 sizes when you receive it. You can ask also to have different, one time a different hole. We put only maximum 2 sizes in one extension line, one extension legs for the stilts, if I can say that. So with one pair of stilts you have already 2 sizes. If you want, you can have a third one. And here, like I said, it's more clear. You have a big hole and a small one, so you put, and this one is smaller. It fits very well. So where is big is where you have to put the head of the screw inside. Okay? And you have to put always 2 screws. Both of them. And then these small things you attach behind and you make it tight. Now, how to fix the calf and where to find your place. So, for myself, I just put my feet inside. I will show you this how it works. You just open it like this. You can put your legs in. And you put it in. And you feel where you want it. If it's too low, it's not good. If it's too high on your knees, it's not good. It should be where your calf is bigger, where you have like your muscles is wider, is the place. So when you have it, you can take it out. You know that is place. Okay, I like for my stilts, I make a small mark with a marker. I make like this and like this. Like this I know where it is. And then you need this piece, the bolt I think is the name, will go in here. You put it upside down, you hold it, you put your finger inside, right at where the hole is, and you put this one on top, you screw, and you tie, make it tight. All right, and here your stilts is built. Ah yes, this piece is really important. This one is April stilts, so she have a smaller feet. So we did already unscrew these two screws, and we put this to hold your heel a little bit forward. For me, it need to be really on the edge. And that's your stilts. How to build your stilts like in 5 minutes, 3 minutes maybe. Have fun and see you later.